Welcome to my channel. We are on question number 13, Waec, June 2023, 13A. So in the diagram, the radius of a sector of circle with center O is given as 7 centimeter and the angle MON is given as 60 degrees. We have to find correct to 1 decimal place the area of the shaded portion. Good. So we were told that the sector, which is OPM, is a sector. You know, if it's a sector, then it means here being 7 centimeter mean OM is also what? 7 centimeter. That's a sector. Now a sector can be big, it can be small, it can be minute. So it means that if I take this area OPN, it also be a sector with its own angle. Radius is still 7. This line will still be what? A radius. So that will also be 7. Then if this is a radius being 7 and this also radius being 7, then it means ONM is also what? A sector, right? So if this sector is taken away, I will still be having a sector ONM. Good. Now that sector is made up of a triangle ONP and this portion that we are asked to find. So meaning if I know the area of the bigger sector ONM, then know the area of the triangle ONT, and if I subtract this triangle from the main sector, then the remaining portion that is shaded will be found. So first thing first, let's find the area of the sector ONM. Okay? So if that is the case, which is given by the formula theta over 360 times what? Pi r squared, right? Where theta is the angle formed at the center, pi is given to us, and the radius is also what? 7 centimeter. So by substitution, 60 degrees over 360, 22 over 7 times 7 times what? 7, which is the radius. 7 times 7. You know this 7 will take care of this. This will cancel this. Go here 1, go here 1, 6. And 6 and 22 have a common factor, so I have 3 and what? 11. So this become 1 times 11 times 1 times 7 will be 77. Then we have what? 3. Then if you have 77 divided by 3, that gives us 25.67. The dimension is what? In centimeters. So we have centimeter squared as the area of the sector that you have here, right? Good. Now the next thing to find is the area of the triangle ONT, and that area we need the base and the height, but we don't know the height, we don't know the base, we only know here. And from the trigonometry properties, if the angle is given to you and one on the side is given, you can find the others. So it means I can use 7 and 60 to find OT and NT if I want to use half base times height. But there is another formula I can use, that is if two lines inclined to produce an angle, there is a formula for it. So I only need the length OT, then I could be able to use that formula. So how will you find that? This is going to be opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. But we are only going to make use of hypotenuse and what? The adjacent, and that will be cos. So I'll find cos 60 equals to the adjacent side, which will be the length OT divided by the ON, which we also know is what? 7 centimeter. So fast forward, if we cross multiply, the length OT will be equal to 7 times what? Cos 60. And we know 7 cos 60 will give us 3.5 still centimeters. So that formula says that area of triangle, which is ONT, is going to be half AB sine theta. The A is one of the side, the B is the other side, theta is the angle inclined by the two sides. So by substitution, we are going to have 1 over 2A, which could be 3.5. The B could be 7, which is this dimension. Then we have sine what? 60 being the angle from there. Let me put that here. So in that case, I'll be having, this is going to be 7 over 2, going to be 49 over 4 times sine 60. And that gives us 10.608. Now in this case, that will also give us centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded or portion is going to be area of sector minus area of what? Triangle. And the area of sector is 25.667 minus 10 point what? Let me write it. 25.667 minus 10.608, and that will give us, so that will give us 15.059. But the question says what? Correct to 1 decimal place. So the approximation is going to be, this is a whole number, so this is the first decimal place. And 5 will be approximated to give us 15.1 centimeter square as the area of the shaded portion. So even though we have the bigger sector, which is made up of sector 1, sector 2, since we don't know the angle here, we focus on this sector and this triangle, then that will be the portion left. I believe the concept is clear. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.